So today's plan for our bento is I'm gonna do some fried rice. I saw a video on YouTube last night by a person, and they actually suggested doing the fried rice a little bit different, where you do the yolk, you mix that in with the rice, you cook that last, and then you do all your other ingredients, and then when you add the rice in with the yolk mixed in, you add the white on top of that. So I'm gonna try that today. So I'm gonna do some frozen dumplings with kimchi. I'm gonna put a couple of shrimps on there, do fruit as usual, and obviously tomatoes for Mr. Business. There's Angel. I'm gonna let her inside for a minute. She's always just sitting there after she does her morning dew. And yeah, so this is the plan for today's bento. Yeah, I know. As soon as I'm done, I'm gonna let you in.